Introducing the all-new iPad mini.
The design is remarkably thin and light and absolutely stunning. An iPad mini now comes in a gorgeous array of new colors. With this new design, we were able to increase the screen size all the way out to 8.3 inches, while keeping the same compact footprint. And delivering this edge-to-edge screen meant finding a new location for Touch ID. So just like iPad Air, we put it right in the top button of iPad mini. The new iPad mini sees a 40% jump in CPU performance and a whopping 80% leap in GPU performance. Combined with the CPU and the GPU, the Neural Engine enables apps to deliver next-level experiences. Like the new Translate app in iPadOS 15, which can automatically translate a conversation in real time. iPad mini now has a USB-C port, so you get the same great USB-C functionality that we brought to iPad Air, which means it's up to 10 times faster than its predecessor. Whether you're a photographer who needs to connect to cameras when shooting on location, or a doctor in a remote area using Butterfly to conduct an ultrasound. So we've updated both the front and back cameras. The back camera now features a 12-megapixel sensor with focused pixels and a larger aperture. On the front, iPad mini features the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. And iPad mini also features a new speaker system with stereo in landscape. And now, iPad mini supports the amazing second-generation Apple Pencil, which magnetically attaches to the side of iPad mini. The new iPad mini starts at just $499, and it'll be available in both Wi-Fi and cellular configurations. So this is the all-new iPad mini. Super fast performance, featuring a brilliant liquid retina display. Support for Apple Pencil and all new colors. New cameras front and back. Center stage, 5G. The new iPad mini starts at just $499, and it'll be available in both Wi-Fi and cellular configurations.